Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an add to bag button in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add an add to bag button on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and I already have a YouTube, for example, a product sales page. This is a YouTube channel flipping course, for example. And let's say that I want to add an add to bag button here instead of this PayPal button. I will delete it. Now click on elements, then click on and drag this add to bag button and drop it here. Click on edit button. From this list, you can connect this button to an existing product on your online store on your website. For example, book a meeting. Let's say this is an appointment product. You can connect it even to a physical product like this sunglass. Now from this general tab, you can edit this button text, for example, buy our sunglasses. From the style tab, you can edit the fill color or the button color. Same thing for the button text color, text font, text size. For the button size, you can resize it from using these little white squares. Let's go back to the style page. Let's make our text size a little bit bigger. For the border, you can even change their color, width, text color. I will go with black, or instead of this I will go with this yellow, like that. Here we was editing the style of the button in the normal stage. You can even edit the style of the button when in the hover stage, which means when the mouse cursor is on top of it. Let's edit it, for example, like that. Let's slightly change it. Text color black, like that. Now from the animation, you can go with no animation. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Now from the animation, you can go with no animation, a fade animation, a slide animation, and or a scale. I think I will go with the slide animation. Close this window. You can edit this button visibility depending on the website visitor device. For example, you can hide it for mobile users or only for desktop users. Now click on update your website and let's view my website live. Go to sales and this is my add to bag button. If I click on it, I will start the the checkout process for the connected products. And this is how to add an add to bag button in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.